Chapter 8 of The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien is a tense and adventurous segment of the tale. It starts as Bilbo, Thorin, and the dwarves resume their journey through the exceedingly foreboding Mirkwood forest, arriving at the enchanted stream forewarned of by Beorn. Miraculously, they spot a boat on the other side of the stream and skillfully use iron hooks to draw it over. Barely have they finished crossing when a deer leaps across, startling them. Thorin tries to shoot it down for food, but misses as Bombur accidentally falls into the stream and becomes entranced upon rescue. Traveling farther into Mirkwood, the group carries a now sleeping Bombur while they try, unsuccessfully, to hunt the deer for food. Bilbo scales a tree to ascertain the forest's end, but the sight eludes him. Food supplies run out as Bombur finally wakes, dreaming of a feast but with no memory of their dire expedition. Spotting a distant light within the forest, they stumble upon a gathering of merry elves, but with an uncanny ability to vanish right before them. In the midst of this, Bilbo is captured and entangled in a formidable spider's web. He musters his strength and determination to break free and kills the spider, thereby claiming his sword, Sting. After equipping his powerful invisibility ring, Bilbo seeks his friends, finding them captured in similar webs and watched over by giant spiders. A brave Bilbo intimidates the monstrous spiders and rescues his friends. Unfortunately, Thorin is taken away during this chaotic sequence and is brought before the king of the Wood Elves. The chapter closes with Thorin being thrown into the Wood Elves' dungeon, the fate of the party wavering. I hope you enjoyed this summary of Chapter 8 from The Hobbit. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting chapter summaries. In the comments below, tell us what you think Bilbo's next move would be following the capture of Thorin. Your thoughts are most welcome.